Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best coyote traps is probably one of the most important tools for managing coyote populations, particularly in agricultural areas where these animals can pose threats to livestock and crops. In this video, we will explore the various types of coyote traps available on the market, and we will provide you with a detailed review of each one, helping you to choose the best trap for your specific needs and situation. Number 5. Humane Way Folding 50-inch Trap. It's the safe and humane way to capture animals. Its sturdy design and easy setup make it perfect for various animals. It features thicker wires, a reinforced door, and strong latches. This ensures it can handle even the largest animals. The galvanized and powder-coated wires prevent rust and corrosion, extending its lifespan. It's built to last. The black anti-glare coating provides excellent camouflage, increasing the chances of a successful capture. It's designed to blend in seamlessly. The gravity-operated mesh door reduces air resistance for quick closure. This ensures a humane and efficient capture. It has handles on both ends for easy lifting and moving. It also folds flat for convenient storage and transport. The smoothed internal edges prevent injuries, and the trigger rod is outside the trap for added safety. It prioritizes animal welfare. It sets up in seconds, going from nearly flat to fully assembled without any tools. It's incredibly convenient. It's perfect for capturing larger animals like dogs, coyotes, and raccoons. Its size and strength make it ideal for a variety of situations. What we like. It sets up in seconds without any tools. The design prioritizes animal safety with its smooth edges. If you need a reliable and humane trap for large animals, this is the one for you. What people say. Easy to use and set up and break down again for easy storage. Good quality. Feels very durable when carrying a decent-sized cat as well as secure. Caught several animals which I released at a safe location, worked great. Critters go in but don't get out, solid, stays closed, works great. Number 4. Duke Victor HD Swivels. Say hello to unparalleled versatility. It's designed for a variety of trapping applications, exceeding your expectations. This swivel is built to last. Its robust design ensures reliable performance even under tough conditions. Experience smooth, unrestricted movement. It easily handles the demands of various trapping setups. Each swivel comes with 2 heavy-duty J-hooks. It's ready to use right out of the package. Use it inline, on end chain, on a stake, or as a drowner. It adapts to your specific needs. It's effective for trapping a wide range of animals. Get the results you need with this reliable tool. This package contains a dozen swivels. You'll have plenty on hand for all your trapping endeavors. What we like. It's built to last with heavy-duty materials. Its swivel design offers adaptable placement options. If you're looking for a durable and versatile trapping solution in bulk, this is a great option. What people say. Replaced all my factory swivels, put these on my traps, well made. Really nice heavy-duty. And made in the USA. Seem good to go. Number 3. Snare Shop Micro Snare Locks. These micro snare locks are designed for trapping coyotes, foxes, and bobcats. They're incredibly fast and gentle on the animals. This listing includes 50 of our high-quality micro snare locks. That's a great value for your trapping needs. The locks are sized to fit 364 to 116 snare wire. This makes them versatile for various trapping situations. It's designed to be gentle on the animal's fur. This helps to minimize damage and maintain the quality of the pelts. They are legal to use in most areas where a relaxing lock is required. Plus, they are reusable, saving you money in the long run. With proper inspection before each use, it can be used repeatedly. They are built to last and provide reliable performance. What we like. These locks are quick and easy to use. They meet legal requirements in most areas. If you prioritize speed and compliance, and want a reusable option, consider these. What people say. These snare locks get the job done. Purchase spares for my kit. Number 2. Coyote Lure #4-1 Oz. This lure is designed to attract coyotes and foxes. It's a powerful tool for hunters and trappers. It's formulated with scents that are irresistible to coyotes and foxes. Get ready for a successful hunting or trapping experience. This lure has a proven track record of attracting coyotes and foxes. It's a must-have for any serious hunter or trapper. Simply apply it to your traps or hunting area. It's that simple. It's made with high-quality ingredients to ensure long-lasting effectiveness. You'll get the most out of your investment. Watch how effectively it attracts coyotes and foxes. See the results for yourself. What we like. It's a powerful attractant for coyotes and foxes. The 1-ounce size is perfect for multiple uses. If you need a lure to increase your chances of a successful catch, this is a must-have. What people say. The bottle is pretty small, just 1 ounce, but maybe because the ingredients are expensive. It has a real musky smell, might even use it on myself to attract cougars, and not the kind in the forest. Number 1. AuSable Rotating Coyote Trap Drags. These innovative drags are perfect for sandy or loose soil where stakes won't hold. They're designed to keep your catch out of sight, ensuring a discreet and effective trapping experience. Unlike standard drags, it features a unique rotating design. This propeller-like action helps it tangle with brush more quickly, securing your catch efficiently. Each drag measures 9 inches long and 10 inches wide, providing ample surface area for secure anchoring in various terrains. It offers a discreet and effective trapping solution, especially in challenging soil conditions. The rotating design enhances its effectiveness in brushy areas. This package includes a dozen individual drags, providing you with ample supplies for your trapping needs. These are manufactured in the USA, ensuring high quality and durability. You can trust in their reliable performance. What we like. The rotating design makes it easier to tangle in brush. It's made to withstand tough conditions. If you need a reliable drag for challenging terrain, and prefer American-made products, this is a great choice. What people say. Sturdy. Work great. Just what I wanted. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.